And a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin miners have decreased their activity on exchanges in 2024, indicating a shift in the market. This trend suggests a more strategic approach, with miners holding onto their assets rather than liquidating them during price surges. This shift suggests greater financial stability and efficiency within the mining sector, with miners possibly anticipating future price gains. In August, US-listed Bitcoin miners achieved a record high of 26% in their share of the Bitcoin network hash rate, highlighting their strengthening position. However, the overall network hash rate rose by approximately 5 exahashes per second, bringing the average hash rate to 621 exahashes per second. Bitcoin's price has experienced fluctuations but remains up by 35% year-to-date and 104% year-over-year. Bitcoin transaction fees have been at their lowest point for 3 consecutive weeks, indicating market stabilization. This has made Bitcoin more accessible for transactions and catalyzed adoption among retail and institutional investors. The National Pension Service of South Korea recently invested $34 million in MicroStrategy stock, indicating growing acceptance among institutions. Historically, patterns are emerging as Bitcoin's divergence from the S&P 500 mirrors the 2019 trend, with the Federal Reserve expected to cut rates in 2024. Stablecoin reserves on exchanges are at an all-time high, enhancing Bitcoin's purchasing power and driving rapid accumulation by major institutions. Market volumes experienced a notable increase last week, contributing to heightened volatility in the crypto markets. Bitcoin funding rates on Binance have reached their lowest levels of the year, suggesting an accumulation phase for long-term investors. BitGo's recent changes to WBTC's custody model stirred controversy, particularly due to Tron founder Justin Sun's involvement. In response, BitGo CEO Mike Belch and others addressed concerns in a public forum. Belch reassured that Bitcoin backing WBTC will not be misused or rehypothecated, emphasizing the legal constraints protecting it. The model now includes a multi-signature system with key distributed across BitGo, BitGlobal, and BitGo Singapore in different jurisdictions to enhance security and decentralization. Justin Sun downplayed his role, asserting that procedures remain unchanged and highlighting plans to expand WBTC's market presence. The new model aims to balance decentralization with security while addressing community feedback. Franklin Templeton has filed an S1 application with the SEC for a new ETF named the Franklin Crypto Index ETF, which aims to offer regulated exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The ETF will track the CF Institutional Digital Asset Index, initially focusing on these 2 major cryptocurrencies with potential for future expansion. Coinbase Custody Trust Company will handle digital asset custody, and Bank of New York Mellon will manage cash and administrative tasks. If approved, the ETF will trade on the CBOE BZX exchange under the ticker EasyPeasy. This move, along with the firm's recent launch of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, highlights growing institutional interest in digital assets. Additionally, Franklin Templeton's on-chain US government money fund is now available on the Arbitrum network, reflecting a broader strategy in blockchain technologies. The minting of 250 million USDC on Solana has sparked debate over its impact on Solana's native token. This increased liquidity could enhance market activity but might also lead to downward pressure if sell-offs occur. Currently, SOL is experiencing high market anxiety with significant liquidation activity around the $140 to $145 range, potentially increasing price volatility. Additionally, the negative net flows suggest investors are holding on to SOL, which might set up for the future price appreciation if demand rises. According to recent on-chain data, DogeCoin has the highest percentage of holders in profit among major meme coins, with 72.75% of its user base currently in profit. This is followed by Floki 70.42% and Mockcoin 61.48%. Shiba Inu and Pepe have lower figures, with SHIB at 46% and Pepe at 56%. Historically, a lower percentage of holders in profit can signal a potential bullish trend, as it may indicate less selling pressure and a possible price bottom. Currently, DogeCoin is priced at $0.1, down nearly 3% over the past week. Malaysia is integrating Worldcoin's iris scan technology for personal verification as part of its digital modernization efforts. The Worldcoin Foundation Tools for Humanity and MYEG have partnered with MIMOS Berhad to incorporate Worldcoin's biometric tech into Malaysia's national systems. This collaboration aims to enhance digital credential verification using iris imaging. Worldcoin has expanded into Malaysia despite facing global scrutiny over its biometric practices. The company has encountered regulatory challenges in Europe, Hong Kong, and Spain regarding privacy concerns, leading to operational suspensions. Worldcoin has worked to address these issues, including open sourcing its biometric system to comply with privacy regulations. The new Brics payment system launched recently has attracted interest from 159 countries, challenging the dominance of the US SWIFT system. This system aims to facilitate cross-border transactions without relying on the US dollar, promoting de-dollarization. The Brics bloc is also considering the use of blockchain and cryptocurrencies for international settlements, with Russia leading the initial steps. Despite challenges in replacing the USD, the system's focus on digital technologies and cost effectiveness is seen as a strategic move. Russian President Putin has signed a crypto bill to support crypto mining and cross-border payments, signaling growing interest in digital assets. The future role of cryptocurrencies within the Brics nations remains to be seen, particularly given China's historically anti-crypto stance. Two IMF officials have proposed a steep increase in electricity taxes for cryptocurrency miners, suggesting an 85% rise to cut global carbon emissions from mining activities. They estimate that a tax of $0.047 per kilowatt hour could generate $5.2 billion annually and reduce emissions by 100 million tons, comparable to Belgium's current emissions. However, this approach may lead miners to relocate to countries with cheaper electricity, potentially reducing its effectiveness. The IMF highlights the significant energy consumption of cryptocurrency transactions and the broader impact of mining and AI data centers on global electricity use and carbon emissions. While the proposed tax could incentivize greener technologies, it may also impact small miners and lead to industry consolidations. Effective implementation will require international coordination to prevent miners from moving to less regulated regions and to ensure meaningful environmental benefits. Jost & Son has launched Sunpump, a new DeFi platform on the Tron blockchain designed for meme coin creators. The platform supports the creation, trading, and staking of meme coins, offering incentives like weekly airdrops of AAA TRX to projects that complete their bonding curve. Sunpump features a rigorous vetting process to prevent fraud and has partnered with exchanges like Poloniex to enhance liquidity and stability for new tokens. The platform also introduces a $10 million meme ecosystem boost incentive program to support emerging tokens. Sunpump aims to address challenges in the meme coin market by providing a secure and transparent alternative. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mishti Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3tv.io or scan the QR code.